Are you watching our own video?
I haven't watched it yet. That's a cute shirt.
Thanks. What are you drinking?
Juice.
Juice. You have breakfast?
I have.
You didn't fix me any?
Do you want half a bagel?
I'm just kidding.
Do you want half a bagel?
No, it's fine.
Want a cookie?
Maybe.
Right over there.
You just kicked me in the balls.
I'm supposed to announce that.
How many views do we have now?
16. I just wanted to watch it. I look stupid. I'm watching our own video, but I haven't watched it yet.
You need to learn how to edit videos.
No, thank you.
What?
No, thank you.
No, you really do though. So you can do it if I die someday.
Yeah, I don't think I'm making videos anymore.
You might.
I won't. Okay, bye.
What, you want to continue watching it?
Yes.
Is it suspenseful?
I just want to see.
From someone who hasn't watched it yet, is it suspenseful?
Not really.
It's kind of boring.
No, it's not boring. I mean, you want to see what happens next. It's not like...
We should make it more suspenseful. I might kill you. Hello, internet. It is the third day. And we're doing pretty good with this, don't you think?
Yeah.
So we're going to Wendy's right now, and we're gonna go to... We found out that the art museum is open today, and it's free! We're gonna go see the Sacred Spain exhibit. It's all about Jesus and whatnot. Apparently there's a life-size replica of Jesus.
How'd you know that?
Because I looked it up online.
Oh. That's cool.
And it's always so bright. There we go. We're gonna go see this exhibit, and we're gonna start planning for our move, which will be hopefully soon. We don't know exactly what day yet. And then planning for our puppy that we're gonna get, which we need to get a response back from Sarah on what the status of that is. Wendy's! Real juicy for 99 cents. Give me that juicy!
Yay!
So we're at Wendy's. We're eating healthy today. Except Brittany just sprayed salt all over.
No, I didn't. It's just a little bit.
What is that?
Chicken, grilled chicken sandwich.
Looks good. Yay for healthy eating.
Kind of.
Kinda. At a fast food restaurant. It's really bad for you. What's it like to look at me through a camera?
You're smaller. What's the matter, Craig?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Nothing.
You're just sitting there with a sad look on your face.
Well, to put it lightly.
Oh, you missed something. It's really hard.
It is really hard.
What are we gonna do? Sorry.
So we're making a little
pit stop
to the Humane Society to see if there's any puppies that we want to adopt today.
We would adopt today?
Yeah, we would adopt today.
We need to talk to your parents
Well,
first.
we would talk to my parents because we're staying at my parents' right now, but we're moving out in a couple weeks. Our parents' house is kind of like a transfer house until we found a place in Terre Haute. So we're moving out in a couple weeks, so we could keep a dog there for a couple weeks,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Right? So we're gonna go look for some puppies.
I'm so excited.
So let's go look. So we're here at the Humane Society looking for dogs, and we're gonna see if we can find a puppy first. So we're at the wonderful Indianapolis Art Museum, and parking was pretty bad to get to, wasn't it, Brittany? And you're it's really cold out.
Here, make it film.
And here's where we're at. It's a pretty big place. So yeah, parking was insane to get to. This guy who doesn't know how to speak English, like, go somewhere. I don't know how to speak English. So we just went around in circles until we found a space in the very front. I don't know why it's so busy today. I think it's the last day of Sacred Spain. How's your Wolfgang Puck caramel latte?
No, it's good. I don't know if it's really cool.
I think actually Wolfgang Puck restaurant's down there.
Yeah.
So I'm about to have a Wolfgang Puck pizza. Wolfgang Puck. So we'll see how it is. So the line for this is so long. You should see how long this is. Look how big this line is. Goes all the way back there. I don't think we're gonna be going in line for this. I don't know if it's worth it. Do you think it's worth it?
No.
Why are you looking up?
I'm embarrassed.
She's still not used to being filmed.
Yeah.
So what do you think about this line, Brittany?
It's long.
It's long?
Almost.
I think it's long too. But it's moving pretty quickly. It's a free exhibit. Pretty lights. We're going up to the, we just got done seeing the Sacred Spain part of the museum. And it was interesting, especially there was this big old Jesus that was dead Jesus. But it was really interesting. So we're heading into the Chinese section. Actually, I think we need to go up one more. I want to go up to the modern. You need to get used to being videotaped. So yeah, we're gonna go up to the modern art section. Winking your eye real funny. Babe, people don't even look. See? Like, look on videos. See, people don't even give a shit. So, yeah, we're going up to the modern art section. She's freaking out. Hey, Brittany, I'm videotaping. Contemporary art.
Can you something in the gift shop?
No, you can't. Maybe. In contemporary art, you can draw a line on a piece of paper and it's contemporary. But there's some cool stuff. I like to wear things on my head.
Yeah.
What do you think? Same thing?
Yep.
Spit an image?
Yep.
Alright.
You're sumo.
There's Marissa. Yeah, Marissa. Don't say Don't say So we're at the basketball game. Watching my sister-in-law, her sister play. So you have another one on the way?
Yeah, she's
actually just fixing to pull
onto the street.
Well, we'll get out of the way then. We'll
Yeah.
get.
What are you doing? Oh.
Jeez. For
You.
why?
Because you're hungry.
I know. I'm so hungry.
Nah.
Butter.
Butter.
Bacon.
Do a Paula Dean impression.
No.
Do
I'm
one.
not good at it.
Y'all.
Butter, bacon, y'all. That's my butter.
Butter bacon, y'all.
That's my Paula Dean impression.